Hi students, today I want to discuss about Neet 2020 physics paper discussion. Okay, recently we have Neet. So, see students, we have the first question is dimensions of stress is given. So we have all of us know about the dimension formula. That is, stress is equal to force per unit area. So we are writing the dimension formula for the force. M to the power of 1, L to the power of 1, to the power minus 2 by L square. Then we have M to the power of 1, L to the power of minus 1, to the power minus 2. This is the dimension formula for the particle stress. So very easy, children. Yeah. So now we have the second question we have. An electron is accelerated from rest. The potential difference of V volts. If a de Broglie's wavelength of electron is 1.227 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton meter, the potential difference is. So now we have de Broglie's wavelength of electron is given by the direct formula. This is 1.27 by root V Armstrong units. Or we can write root V is equal to 12.27 by this value lambda, which is equal to 0.1227. So if you solve it, so V will be around 10 to the power of 4 volts. Okay, your direct substitution. So next, the third question in this is in electrostatics, capacitance. Yes, capacitors. The capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with the air as medium is 6 microfarads. With the introduction of dielectric medium, the capacity becomes 30 microfarads. Now he asked to find out the epsilon, the permittivity of the medium. He has given the value for the epsilon naught. That is permittivity of the medium. The standard value 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12 Coulomb square, Newton inverse, meter square. Okay. So now we have the formula for the capacity of a parallel plate capacitor, which is nothing but C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. So this is given as 6. So when a dielectric is introduced, then the capacity increases by K times. So we have C dash is equal to Kc, or K is equal to C dash by C. So C dash is given as 30 and C is 6. So 30 by 6 will be 5. So we have the K. So K is equal to 5. Now, so K can be defined as the ratio between the epsilon by epsilon naught. So therefore epsilon is equal to K into epsilon naught. So simple calculation, 5 into 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So 44.25 into 10 to the power of minus 12 Coulomb square, Newton inverse, meter square. So students, this is also a very easy direct question, which was asked in 2020 Neet physics. So it's a simple problem we have based on capacitors. Okay. Not only that, if you observe the fourth question here, it is in instruments topic. So a screw gauge has a least count 0.01 millimeters and number of divisions is about 50 divisions on the screw guards. He asked us to find out the pitch of the screw. So we can write least count is equal to pitch of the screw by number of divisions, or pitch of the screw is equal to least count into number of divisions. So therefore, least count is 0.01 into number of divisions 50. So which is equal to 0.5 millimeters. So children, here also it is very, very easy. Students, see all the basic questions here. All direct applications and basic questions in Neet 2020. So always fundamentals are very, very important. So if you have strong fundamentals, you can build buildings, castles. You cannot build castles on a which does not have a better fundamentals. So I say to each and every student every time, so be strong on your fundamentals. You're strong on your fundamentals, you can do wonders. Okay? So see, all 4 questions we have discussed is very, very easy. So not of my point of view, you children, you students, it is easy for you also. If you have the concept and the fundamentals, it will be very, very, very easy. Okay? Now, the 5th question we have is in oscillations. The phase difference between a displacement and acceleration in simple harmonic motion. Oh. So by graph also you can explain, or by definition of SHM you can explain. So if we say that we know that x is equal to a sin omega t, this is the equation for the displacement of particle. And we have the acceleration, a is equal to minus a omega square sin omega t. You know by definition also, the displacement and the acceleration are always opposite in direction. And they are, the acceleration of a particle always will be towards a fixed point and opposite to the displacement. Therefore, A is proportional to minus x, or A is equal to minus omega square x, or the phase difference between them, you take the graph also, they will be in opposite phase. So therefore, opposite means 180 degrees natural, or we can also say about the pi radians with the opposite. So the answer will be 180 degrees or pi radians. Okay. Now we have the 6th question. Students, children, energy equivalent of 0.5 grams of substances. Oh, this is chocolate question or ice cream question. So, Einstein's energy mass relation. We have E is equal to mc square. So, m is the mass, c is the velocity of light. So mass here is 0.5 grams. You convert into meters. So 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into velocity of light. We know that 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. So 3 into 3, 9 into 10 to the power of 8 square means 10 to the power of 60. So if we solve it or multiply it, we will have 4.5 into 10 to the power of 3 joules. Okay. So see how easy to crack Neet 2020. So we target for Neet 2021. We will do it. We will succeed. Okay. So be with me and listen to my classes and follow me. I will make you to follow medicine or Neet will follow you. You follow me, Neet will follow you, and you will follow the best in the education industry.